this is Shanique Winnie Techniques. So today I'm doing a collaboration with Temu. Now we know who Temu is. We've seen them all over social media. Now today I'm going to be showing you sandals in different styles and colors and also a wedge. And I'm also going to leave a link down in the description box to give you $100 coupons. And also I do have a coupon code. Now let's go ahead with this first item. This is called the Woman's Wedge Sandals Peep Toe Slide On Platform Shoes. Now you can get this for $20.49. Now the sizes ranges from 6.5 all the way to a size 12, and I did get it in 10. You can't go wrong with a black wedge. I love it on a plus size woman, and it gives you that support that you need. You can wear this with pants or dresses, and what I love about it, it has a round toe, but in the inside, it is very comfortable. So let's go ahead with the next sandal. This is the Woman Braided Slide Sandals Fashion Square Toe Outdoor Flats. You can get this for $12.48. It comes in multiple colors. Now the sizes ranges from 6.5 all the way to a size 11, and I did get it in 10. Now, although my feet are flat and they're wide, it hangs over a little bit, but it still looks good on my feet. I love the braided detailing across the shoe, and also it has the square toe in the front. So with that said, let's go ahead and try these two on. So here's the next two items. This is the Woman's Bowknot Decor Slides. You can get this for $7.68. It comes in two other colors. I did get it in orange. Now the sizes ranges from 6 all the way to 10, and I did get it in 10. Now, once again, if you could see the detailing in the inside, it feels comfortable underneath the sole of your feet. It has a bow that is secure on the strap, and also it is a square toe. I wanted to show you guys. Now on to the next sandal. This is the Woman Square Toe Sliders Metal Buckle Decor. Now what I love about these, I did get it in pink. It comes in multiple colors, and you can get it for $10.98. Now the sizes on this one range from 5.5 all the way to 11, and I did get it in 10. I love this insole as well. It's cushioning to be a flat sandals. I love the detailing on the buckle, as you guys can see, and it's also square toe. Love the color, and you can wear this with so many things. With that said, you guys, let's go ahead and try it on. so here's the next two items. This is called the Woman Cutout Slide Sandal Faux Leather Shoes. You can get this for $7.99. I did get it in burgundy. Now the sizes range from 5.5 all the way to 11. I did get it in 10.5. I love this sandal. Now for someone who have a wide foot, this would be perfect for you. It's very cushioned in the inside. It has a round toe. So look at the detailing. Nicely done. So let's go ahead with the next item. This is called the Woman Fashion Flat Slide Sandals Metal Buckle Decor Square Open Toe Shoes. Now this does come in two other colors. I did get it in green. Now the sizes on this one range from 6 all the way to a 10. I did get it in a 10. Look at the detailing. Hopefully you guys can see that for someone who have a wide foot. Perfect for you. And I love that the fact it's flat, but it's very comfortable. And it is a square toe. So with that said, let's go ahead with the next two items. All right, sweeties, I don't know why I told you guys this was the last two items. It's only one more item left. Now, this is called the Woman Rhinestone Decor Slide Sandals Lightweight Square Open Toe Slip-On. You can get this for $9.89. Now, the sizes ranges from 6 all the way to 10. Now, I love this gold and silver shoe. And the insole is very soft. Also, it comes with this cover so you can slip it off. And look how vibrant that is. And if someone have a wide foot, this would be perfect for you. And I love the square toe. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the way around. So with that said, let's go ahead and try it on. So the first thing I want to do is give one of my subscribers a shout out right here. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And Temu, thank you so very much for sending me these items, and hopefully we'll be able to work together again. I will leave all the link, prices, sizes down in the description box, including my coupon code. And also, I would leave that link down in the description box so you can get $100 worth of coupons. And also, you guys, I do have a Patreon channel. I would leave that link down in the description box as well. All right, you guys, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Share my video. Share my video. And I'll see you guys again. Bye.